In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a new account to Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're setting it up for professional or personal use, following these steps will ensure a smooth and quick setup, allowing you to integrate your email seamlessly into Outlook. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're at your computer and have Microsoft Outlook open. Once you're in the program, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to head over to the upper left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the File tab. The File tab is essentially the hub in Outlook for managing your account settings and other important features. So it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. When you're in the File tab, look for an option that says Add Account. This is usually one of the first choices you'll see, making it easy to locate. Click on Add Account and a new window should pop up, guiding you to input the necessary information for your new account setup. This step is where the magic happens. Be prepared with the email address and password of the account you wish to add. As you type in your details, Outlook might take a moment to automatically configure the settings, which typically includes fetching information like server settings. Outlook automatically does this to streamline the setup process. However, if it doesn't automatically set up, don't worry. You can manually input server and other details by selecting the manual setup or additional server types option. It's always handy to have your email provider's server details nearby, as you might need them during this process. Once you've input all the necessary details, click Next and follow the on-screen prompts. Don't rush this step. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any setup issues later on. If Outlook successfully adds your account, you should see a confirmation message. This means you've successfully integrated your new account into Outlook and you're ready to go. If there's an error, double-check your email and password for typos and ensure you've selected the correct account type and server settings. That's essentially it. You've now added your account to Microsoft Outlook, making it easy to access your emails all from a single platform. Outlook will start downloading your emails, which may take a moment depending on the amount of data being synced. I hope you found this video straightforward and helpful. Remember, having easy access to your emails in a centralized hub like Outlook can significantly enhance your productivity and communication efficiency. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.